Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine having an extra $500, $1,000, or even more coming in every month. In this video, we're uncovering 10 easy side hustles that you can start today to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. Stick around because number 7 could completely change your financial game. Welcome to Shonda TV, your one-stop destination for financial tips, money-making strategies, and online income ideas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing advice. Let's dive straight into the 10 easy side hustles you can start today. The first side hustle is freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Leverage your skills like graphic design, writing, or social media management to earn money on freelancing platforms. These platforms are simple to use, and you can start earning as soon as today by setting up your profile, showcasing your skills, and bidding on projects. Whether you're working full-time or part-time, freelancing allows you to work on your own schedule while earning extra cash. The second side hustle is online tutoring. If you're good at subjects like math, science, or even speaking a foreign language, online tutoring platforms like VIPKid or TutorMe are great options. These platforms allow you to teach students from all over the world and earn competitive hourly rates while helping others succeed academically. The third side hustle is selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, printables, or templates on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's a one-time effort to design a product that can generate ongoing income. For example, you can create a budgeting template, a workout guide, or an educational resource. Once uploaded, these products can sell repeatedly without any additional work. The fourth side hustle is starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a low-cost business model where you sell products without handling inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your online store, and you can work with suppliers who ship directly to customers. All you need to do is market the products, and you can earn a profit from each sale. The fifth side hustle is becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help businesses or entrepreneurs manage tasks like email, scheduling, or social media. This job is perfect for anyone who is organized and enjoys supporting others. With tools like Zoom and Asana, you can work remotely and earn a good income while setting your own hours. The sixth side hustle is renting out your space. If you have an extra room or property, renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo can be a great way to generate steady passive income. Even if you don't have a spare room, you can rent out a parking space, storage space, or even your backyard for events. The seventh side hustle is content creation on YouTube. Just like this channel, you can create videos on topics you love and share your knowledge with the world. Use automation tools like Pictory to simplify the process of creating videos, even if you don't want to appear on camera. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, turning your passion into a lucrative income stream. The eighth side hustle is selling stock photos or videos. If you're a photographer or videographer, websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images can help you turn your work into a source of passive income. Simply upload your photos or videos, and earn royalties whenever someone downloads your content. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys capturing moments and wants to monetize their creativity. The ninth side hustle is delivery services. Sign up for apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart to earn extra cash delivering food or groceries. These services allow you to work on your own schedule, making it a flexible option for anyone who wants to make money in their spare time. Finally, the 10th side hustle is print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online. Platforms like Printful handle the printing and shipping for you, so all you need to do is focus on designing and marketing your products. Print on demand is a fantastic way to earn money while showcasing your creativity. Pro tip: start with 1 or 2 side hustles that match your skills or interests, and gradually expand as you gain experience. Consistency is the key to turning a side hustle into a significant income stream. Whether it's freelancing, online tutoring, or creating digital products, pick something that aligns with your passions and stick with it. Which side hustle are you excited to start? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Shonda TV for more money-making strategies. Together, let's build a future of financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Coming up next, how to make $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. Stay tuned.